Hi guys and welcome to our channel Damsels in Style.
So, like everybody else, we've decided to board the sustainable fashion train, and Garima is gonna tell you how.
So I came across this Ruffles trend where I was seeing it everywhere, like in Western fashion, Indian designers, where they were putting ruffles around the saris and they looked so pretty.
Good. They look so pretty.
And then I thought, why not incorporate that in my clothing and make it wearable for me? So I used a Palazzo. I thought, why not put the ruffles around a Palazzo that my mom already had and a dress that I was not wearing anymore. So this is us DIYing that for you.
And we've used everything we already had except the green fabric that we got, which wasn't much. So this is our interpretation of sustainable fashion.
Go check it out.
So for this DIY, we required a sewing machine, one pair of scissors, a green colored thread, one white Palazzo, an inchy tape, a needle, a chalk, and one piece of green fabric.
So we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And if you do try it out for yourself, don't forget to share the pictures with us.
And don't forget to like,
Share,
subscribe,
and press the bell button.
And remember,
You're not a damsel in distress, but a damsel in style.